Madam, your in-flight canopy. Truffle toast points with creme fraiche and organic black lumpfish caviar.
Wow!
Darling, this isn't beluga. Did no one brief you? Of course, madam. But there was a last-minute sourcing issue with your supplier from Central Pay. So you expect me to digest this? Lulu, Mama's being punished for flying commercial with cashmere instead of the Gulfstream. We do have Wagyu beef sliders, freshly chilled oysters, and a creme brulee that sings when you tap it. Oh well, unless that brulee sings in French, I'm still offended. I'm sorry, ma'am. We couldn't source beluga in time, but our standard of care never changes. This cabin crew lady. She's iconic. Oh, the lighting here is so harsh. And where's the organic gluten-free sparkling water I requested? Do something! My Gucci bag is getting ruined! Just maybe if you did not insist on bringing the dog. Oh, come here, little one. Come on, come here. Ta-ta. Ta-ta, come here. Oh my, you're yelling at me because of a common flight attendant? All she does is serve tea and coffee all day, all night. What? You're just doing too much. You're doing too much. Ow! I think the baby's coming. Give me the flight attendant. Ow! What? Like now? Huh? Oh my god! Did she just say cabin crew are just on board to serve tea and coffee? Like, why does everyone think cabin crew are on board just to serve tea and coffee? Like, whoever invented that? Who said that? Why? Don't worry, madam. You're in safe hands. Now take a deep breath and push. Yes, you're doing great. Yes, madam. Push. Congratulations! Welcome to the world, little one. Welcome aboard. It's a girl. Thank you, Miss Flight Attendant. She's iconic. Just another day in the skies. I welcome the baby aboard. A newborn baby on my flight. Yeah. I know. And I didn't even charge in flight delivery fees. I'll work on that.